Today guys, pag-uusapan natin isa sa mga phone na feeling ko mapapaganda ang inyong vlogging experience. And not only vlogging, pati gaming, kayang-kaya nito phone na ito. And I'm talking about the vivo Y76 5G. And itong box na ito is a special edition with collaboration with Mobile Legend Bang Bang. And I have here is the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Color blue siya. And tara, simulan muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So i-unbox muna natin quickly itong vivo Y76 5G. And itong box na nakita natin is sobrang ganda, no? And it's just simply a cover. Pag hinila mo, it's a very typical box ni Y76. Plain white. And of course, andito yung vivo print. And Y76 ang kanyang nakasulat dito, plus 5G. So bubuksan na natin si Y76. Pag open, may isang slip na bubungat sa atin. As usual, it's a jelly case and of course, some documentation. And of course, andito na ang phone. Cosmic Aurora ang color ng phone ko. And I believe that it's really nice. 3D ang kanyang likod, no? Kaya mapapansin mo, ang ganda ng kanyang color. Lalo ko na ilawan. Yan, guys. Sobrang smooth. Ang ganda, oh. Lalo ko na ilawan. So, makita mo parang may kakaibang effect siya. No? Lalo ko yung ilaw mo yung maliwanag. Makita mo parang medyo rainbowish siya na gradient na mahirap i-explain, no? Pero maganda siya, definitely. And of course, we have our 50MP na triple camera setup sa likod. The Vivo print is down here. Sa ibabaw, kita natin yung SIM tray and of course, noise cancelling mic. Lutin lang natin. Kita natin, it's a hybrid. So, either you go for 2 nano SIM or isang nano SIM plus isang micro SD expansion up to 1 TB. Sa gilid ang kanyang fingerprint scanner plus volume rocker. Sa kabilang gilid, malinis. Sa ilalim, kita natin ang kanyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, 3.5mm audio jack. Further inside the box, andito ang kanyang Type-C cable. Meron pang headset, SIM ejector pin, and of course, ang kanyang 44 watts na flash charge. So much for the unboxing. So kita natin ang ganda ng phone nito na dito sa harap natin. First things first, ang nipis niya. 7.7mm ang kanyang thickness and definitely is probably one of the thinnest na nahawakan ko for this price segment. And by the way guys, itong phone na ito nagkaroon ng price drop from 16,999. Ngayon mabibili mo siya for 14,999 only. And I'll be posting the link on the description below. So swiping left and right, I can say definitely it's a smooth experience using this phone. Dahil okay ang kanyang display and the screen size is definitely ample enough for watching your favorite videos and browsing through the social media. Ang kanyang display is a 6.58-inch na FHD Plus na LCD in-cell display. Even though na wala siyang higher screen refresh rate, I still feel na okay naman siya. Hindi naman ako nabibitin dito sa kanya dahil I believe that they have been using a better na LCD panel on this one. Another thing na gustong-gusto ko dito sa phone na ito on my first impression is ang gaan niya. 175 grams lang kanyang weight and definitely the 3D glittering effect dito sa likod is definitely very eye-catchy. Ito phone na ito is being packed with a MediaTek Dimensity 700 and it's a octa-core processor with 2.2 GHz na speed. Just to give you a quick teaser, itong phone na ito was able to score 346,000 points on Antutu benchmark version 9.4.1. And pag binreakdown natin ang score, ito ang score makukuha mo. Definitely, it's quite high for Dimensity 700. Itong phone na ito is running Android version 12 together with FunTouch OS 12. It has a RAM extension of 8 gigs of RAM plus 4 gigs of extended RAM. 4 gigs of RAM na RAM extension, mafe-feel mo siya especially when you're gaming, especially when you're multitasking, ang dami mong apps na sunod-sunod naka-open, doon mo mararamdaman hindi sluggish ang iyong phone. Itong phone na ito is also packed with the Multi-Turbo 5.0. I know that this one will be really helpful, especially when you're playing games like your favorite titles, Mobile Legend, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Apex Legend, and of course, Genshin Impact. I'm sure it would be giving you the better experience when you're turning on the multi-turbo mode. Now, pinamamalaki din ni Vivo na ang camera nito is probably one of the top-notch sa kanyang price segment since it has high-definition photography naka-describe dito sa likod and giving you some quick teaser photos. I can say na upon taking some initial shots, yeah, I believe na itong camera would be giving me such a good experience when taking outdoor photos. Ito, just some of the teaser photos that I want to show you. More of that in the full review. Another feature na meron dito sa phone na ito is to have double exposure. Meaning you can take a silhouette of your subject dito sa photo na ito in just one shot. Another feature that might be handy is dual view. This one would uplift your vlogging experience to a whole new level since this one also has an EIS, meaning mas stable ang iyong video. And you can also use this double view to show you kung ano na-feel mo on the selfie camera and of course, kung ano pinag-uusapan mo on the rear camera. More of that on the full review. Now guys, I'm sure na medyo nabibitin kayo sa mga binanggit ko on my first impression. I know that you want to know more about this phone, how it performs, kamusta ka ng camera, kamusta ka ng gaming. I'll be giving that to you more on my full review. So don't you dare miss it. And of course, if you want to know more about this phone, do subscribe and of course, click that bell icon para ma-notify kayo once in-upload ko ang full review nitong vivo Y76 5G. And siya nga pala ako si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!